From across the room or across the country, your Sensi Wi-Fi thermostat makes it easy to remotely control and schedule your home comfort, anytime, anywhere. Designed to work with the wires you already have, the Sensi thermostat does not require a common wire, C-wire, for most installations, so it is compatible with the HVAC equipment in many homes in US-Canada. AC wire is required for heat only, cool only, and heat pump, without aux systems, and for use with Apple HomeKit. Check to make sure it will work for you at sensi.emerson.com/compatibility. The intuitive app walks you through each step of the installation with custom configured instructions, removing all the frustration and guesswork from the installation process, so you can be up and running in no time, no experience required. Put your comfort on your terms using location-based temperature control with geofencing or creating custom heating and cooling schedules with the flexible 7-day scheduling option with the Energy Star certified Sensi thermostat. Both energy-saving features save about 23% on your HVAC energy usage, so you can save money without compromising your comfort. Plus, Sensi integrates directly with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Wink home automation platforms. Connect to Amazon Alexa to control your home temperature with simple voice commands, or just ask Siri to set, raise or lower your home temperature when using Sensi with Apple HomeKit. What's more, Sensi Wi-Fi thermostat has been named the Best Value Smart Thermostat of 2018 by USA Today's Review.com. Energy savings calculated by comparing operation time for a nationwide sample of Sensi users with temperature adjustments averaging 4 degrees versus users with no adjustments. Savings vary based on equipment type, condition, insulation, climate, temperature adjustment size, frequency. Based on survey results of 2,120 respondents that purchased and installed a Sensi thermostat in 2018, approximately 70% reported installing in 30 minutes or less. Adding a common wire may impact installation time. Does not work with electric baseboard heat and some other systems. System requirements for mobile app: iOS 10.0 or above, Android 4.2 or above, 5.0 or greater to use the geofencing feature. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Editor's Choice Best Value Smart Thermostat by USA Today's Review.com. Number 2. Save about 23% on HVAC energy. The Energy Star certified Sensi thermostat helps you save on your HVAC energy costs, with features like geofencing, 7-day flexible scheduling, remote access, and in-app system usage. Number 3. Most install in 30 minutes or less. Use the built-in level and step-by-step app instructions for a quick installation. Skip any extra work painting or patching the wall thanks to the standard thermostat size. Number 4. Smart Home Compatible. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, C-wire required, and Samsung SmartThings smart home platforms. Number 5. Usage reports. Monitor current day and historical heating, cooling, and fan runtimes right in the app. Number 6. Control from anywhere. Remotely control your home comfort from your smartphone or tablet using the Sensi mobile app for Android and iOS devices. Number 7. Smart Alerts. Sensi features smart alerts to help detect extreme temperature and humidity levels in your home. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.